Audio Jungle.
Russia fires 25 missiles exploding Ukraine in an hour. Residents of Belarus report massive rocket launches towards Ukraine. This morning, from the territory of neighboring Belarus, in the direction of Ukraine, at least 25 tactical missiles were fired. This is reported by residents of the Belarusian Gomel, and a number of other settlements in the Gomel region. The overwhelming number of missile strikes were carried out, from a military airfield near the village of Zyabrovka. While it is still unknown what kind of missiles we are talking about, although it is assumed that the launches were carried out using operational tactical missile systems Tochka-U. As it turned out, the strikes were delivered in two series. The first series of missile launches was carried out in the period from 5 hours 23 minutes. 17 missiles were fired in 12 minutes, after which the second series of launches began at 6 hours 10 minutes, and ended at 6 hours 29 minutes. At least 13 rocket launches were made during it. At the moment, there are no details on this matter. However, several explosions on the border of Ukraine and Belarus are reported on social networks. According to Belarusian residents, we are talking about the fall of 3 launched missiles. However, by the current moment, the Defense Department of Belarus has not given any official comments on this matter.